looking at the AAVs again. Off the beach. Look, honey, that might be Daddy. Daddy might be inside there. Some more of those little birds. Stay back, honey. Stay back there. That's cool, huh? Squirrel right there. Here, he'll come to you. See if he'll come to you. Go. Give him a cracker. Give him a cracker. He'll come to you. Ah! He wants one. You gonna give him one? They're getting us.
Here, you want to see something funny?
Watch. Oh! There's a squirrel, Ryder. See, he ate right out of his hand. You want to go feed the squirrel? Okay, come here. Let's get a cracker. Get a cracker out. Get your cracker. And then sit down. Sit down right there and give him a cracker. Want to try again? Sit down.
Can you actually pet his back?
No, don't throw it to him. Sit down and let him come to you. Sit down and let him come to you. Get closer. Okay, sit down. Let him come to you. There he comes. Hold it for him. Hold it out there for him. Hold on. Hold it. A second, they'll come to you. Squirrel. Up there. Here, come over here some. Sit right next to her. You sit right there? Go, sit right here. Sit right there. Okay, he'll come to you. Watch. Just sit right there. Sit really still. Here he comes. Put your hand out there. Oh, we got it. Oh, well, that one wants some. He's gonna attack you for it. Okay, no more. Let's save them. Okay, say bye.